Various of what appeared to be missiles were seen over the skies above Jerusalem, as Israel's military warned of incoming attacks from Iran. According to Associated Press, explosions were heard overhead also in other parts of Israel, including Tel Aviv, on Saturday. Iranian state television earlier announced the latest missile barrage. The countries have been trading blows a day after Israel's blistering attack on Iranian nuclear and military sites.
Where are they going?
Okay. لا إله إلا الله. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
מה זה? מה זה? אלוהים ישמור.
אצילות, נתן לי לפחד. אבל איזה פחד אלוקים. הם נופלים על הרצפה.
נופל ב100%. שחתיכות של הטילים,
רצועה דסה. לא יודע, נפל 50.
אחת,
לא ספרתי.
אם עכשיו לא ירצו אותם, לא מאמין.
איך ירדו כל כך המון?
שקן?
זה נראה לי נפילות.
זה פגע במה.
Drone footage showed damage from an Iranian strike Saturday on a neighborhood in Risen Lezion, Israel. According to Associated Press, Iran has launched retaliatory missile strikes on Israel, killing at least 3 people and wounding dozens, after a series of blistering Israeli attacks on the heart of Iran's nuclear program and its armed forces. Israel's assault used warplanes, as well as drones smuggled into the country in advance, to assault key facilities and kill top generals and scientists. Iran's UN ambassador said 78 people were killed and more than 320 wounded in the attacks. Israel said the barrage was necessary before Iran got any closer to building an atomic weapon. The Israeli attack also threw talks between the United States and Iran over an atomic accord into disarray days before the two sides were set to meet Sunday. Israel warned of more attacks on Iran on Saturday after Iran's deadly retaliatory strikes on Israel overnight and into the morning.